happen. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, the collection is out. It's available now. My Perception palette, the highlighters, the lipsticks, the gloss, everything is now available. So on Twitter, I asked you guys what I should film, and so many people wanted to see a look with IE, which is this kind of olivey green shade. So here it is, boom. We are creating this fierce cut crease, slay, fabulous, spring type of look. Like, I keep looking at it like, you did that, okay, you did that. If you guys want to learn how to create this look, continue to watch. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Colourpop number 36 concealer. Use a flat brush to make sure you get a nice even layer on the eyes. Whenever I apply greens on the lid, I really like my crease to be warm. I like that earthy kind of look. So we're going to apply thick in the crease first. I love this color. I love it. Yes. There's pigment. Now I'm gonna go in with Played Out, which is, you know, the brown, the played out brown that we had to put in the palette. Honestly, Played Out is the perfect name for this shade. Really is. I'm not just saying that because, you know, I named them, but you know. All right, it's time to cut that crease. That's like a game show, huh? Cut that crease. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm gonna use my Colourpop number 36 concealer to cut the crease. You kind of want to use not a lot, but enough to really move the shadow and create a nice, you know, this is my Sigma F70 brush. You really want to follow the natural shape of your crease and then from there kind of perfect it. So you may need to make it a little bit more round, wider, whatever the case is. I always hold the mirror down and make sure that the cut crease looks even on both sides. All right, the color that everyone has been asking me to use, IE, it's a really pretty kind of olive green. You can see it here. I think this was like, well, IE and September were like the two that everyone was like, do a video with those, please. So we're gonna put IE on the outside and the inside of the lid. You wanna leave the center empty for the lighter shade. This is kind of like a coloring book. You just wanna color in the lines. Look how pretty that is. So IE stands for the Inland Empire. That's where I grew up. So, you know, I gotta represent. And it's okay if the center isn't a perfect line because we're gonna have the colors overlap anyway. So it's cool. I switched to an angled flat brush just so I can really like get into the crease. I'm gonna apply Unbothered, this like iridescent gold on the center of my lid. This is like perfect for that halo look. It gives you like a little spotlight. I'm just putting this in the center of the lid. Make sure you're overlapping Unbothered and IE so it looks nice and blended. Ooh, you can really see that the green is kind of pulling a lot of gold out of Unbothered. Listen, color is back. All summer 18. Yes, it is. I'm debating if I want to add the black to the outer corner. Just a little bit. We'll do a little bit. Using my angled brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of Stallion right where that line is in my crease. And I'm using the lightest touch possible. We're creating that V shape I always talk about. And then blend that out with a smaller blending brush. Just a little bit. You didn't put a lot on, so there's not much to blend. Color's back, y'all. Ooh, this is cute. I know, how many times am I gonna say that? Ooh, it's cute. I'm lining my eyes with a black gel liner from Dose of Colors. All right, we're gonna wing it, y'all. Because we winged out our shadow, it's pretty much an easy little guide to follow right there. I'm also gonna line my waterline with the black eyeliner. I'm gonna set the black liner with Stallion because we don't want this moving anywhere. So I'm just placing it right over the liner. Using a small smudge brush, I'm gonna smudge Stallion under the lash line with Revenge. Should we do Revenge? Or should we do Played Out? No, let's do Played Out. We're gonna smudge Stallion with Played Out. That's how my thought process works, y'all. I'll be like, wait, am I do this? No, let's try this. Make sure to tap off the excess also. That way you don't have any fallout on your face, especially if you do your foundation first like I do. I'm gonna add Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and we are doing lashes. You already know. This type of eyeshadow look is yes, I know how to beat my face. You know what I mean? Like when you see that cut crease, it's like, okay, she knows what she's doing. I'm gonna apply the Lila lash from Lily Lash. I've used these probably like 1,500 times. Not even gonna lie. but they look good. Trust me when I say used lashes are like the best. And when I say use, I mean I used them, no one else did. But the third or fourth, the fifth use, pretty nice. Remember, look down into the mirror and use tweezers to apply the lash. It's the easiest way, I promise. And then now I'm just kind of pushing the lash close to my lash line to make sure that it's really on there. And then boom, magical. Honestly, I love when you guys give me suggestions because it just forces me to not kind of stay in a rut or stay with the neutral browns. I love it. Just look at this magic, you know? I mean, I was gonna obviously do a colorful look, but you guys were the ones who said do that green, so. As you guys know, I have two highlighters, Pose and Boomin. I'm gonna put both of them on because do what you want when you're popping. No, but for real, because I just love them both, that's why. We're gonna start with Boomin. I'm just using a fluffy brush and putting it on my nose here. Boomin is this really pretty gold highlight. I love it, I love it, I love it. And you can definitely use these on your body. And just look at how cute that is. Don't you guys love this? Right, this is Pose. This is more of a copper shade. You can see me shining down the street. Pose gives me like tropical vibes. This is my Bobbi Brown bronzer. I'm just bronzing the skin. I'm gonna use my Sweetest Cocoa blush again. I know I used this in the last video, but I just love it, especially when I want just like a neutral contour. I think we're gonna do Oouuu on the lips. I really am just feeling the coral vibes. I'm gonna line my lips with Colourpop BFF3 lip liner. This is just like a really pretty neutral brown that goes with everything. Like I can wear it with any color. It's just, it's cute, it's perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with Oouuu lipstick. Peachy coral vibes. See how well it goes, the lip liner goes with lipstick? I think a lot of times when it comes to corals, people don't know how to wear it, but you can really neutralize it with just a nude lip liner. All right, I'm gonna finish off the look with Neat Freak Gloss. Look at that drip. I have to say this is one of my favorite looks that I've done on YouTube. Boom, I said it. Here's the finished look, you guys. Ooh, it's cute. I really cut that crease. Like, ooh, I really did cut that crease. I love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget my Perception palette, my lipsticks, the gloss, the highlighters, the whole collection is now available on Colourpop.com. I can't wait to see how you guys recreate these looks. Don't forget to hashtag Shayla X Colourpop so I can see them, so I can like them, so I can show you some love, post it on my Insta stories, everything. Comment below, let me know what other looks you want to see because, you know, I listen to you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, shred and slay. Whoa, you know, whoa. See, I listen. Oh, boom. Yeah, I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna wing it. It's real cute. Drip, drip. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, that intro was popping. Whew. It got hot up in here. Spring, fabulous, fierce, poppin' makeup look.